we address the safety issues in augmented reality. Due to the nature of VR, which is a mixture of virtuality and reality, the user has presences from both virtual and real world. However, when a user deeply engages with the virtual content of the VR, an accident like pedestrian vehicle collision can occur in the real world. We define this problem as the trade-off between immersion and situation awareness. In this paper we propose the application of a third-party component for the safety in a traffic situation. The third-party component has two core functions, vehicle position estimation and vehicle position visualization, VPE and VPV for short. We conducted two different experiments for VPE and VPV to verify the feasibility of proposed component. In VPE we trained and tested deep learning models for the RGB image sequences of traffic simulation. The result of the best model showed 34 centimeters of position estimation error in 2.1 milliseconds for simulated ground truth data. For VPV we employed two out-of-view object visualization methods for vehicles position, IC 360 and radar. Moreover, we implemented in our game, shoot a mole to demonstrate the immersion. In VPV experiment, we demonstrated the trade-off between immersion and situation awareness in the traffic simulation. The results showed that the immersion and participants' situation awareness tends to be inversely proportional. In the comparisons of visualization methods, no significant main effect was revealed while IC 360 yields slightly faster responses. We believe that in the future when the risk detection becomes more accurate, the proposed component will enable full immersion into our by ensuring safety.